Hello everyone, I am Selman Şahin. I am second year computer science student at Bilkent University. Today I will represent my Physics 101 project. My project is named Simple Pendulum Experiment. In my experiment, I will try to find what are the variables that affects the period of simple pendulum. I will do it in three different parts. In the first part, I will change the mass of the pendulum bob. In the second part, I will change the mass of the string. And in the third part, I will change the length of the string. And I will look at how these variables change the period of simple pendulum. And while doing that experiment, I will use these equipments. The equipments are a stopwatch, a retort stand, strings with same masses and different lengths, strings with same lengths and different masses, and pendulum bobs with different masses, and finally a protractor. Here you can see the formula for the period of the simple pendulum. I will use this formula for calculating the expected period. Here you can see my experimental setup. It includes a retort stand, a string, and a pendulum bob. I calculated the time by using the timer in my mobile phone. Here you can see the result. The table includes the data for the 0.05 kilogram pendulum bob. I also took the time for 10 oscillations to provide better results. I also calculated the error as 2.21%, which is relatively low. In here, I changed the mass of the pendulum bob to be 0.1 kilograms, so that I could see how the change in the mass of the pendulum bob affects the period of the simple pendulum. In here, you can see the data for 0.1 kilogram pendulum bob. When we draw a graph for our both results, we can see that the period values for 0.05 kilogram pendulum bob and 0.1 kilogram pendulum bob are almost same. So we can analyze that the period of the simple pendulum doesn't affected by the mass of the pendulum bob. In part 2, I analyzed how the change in the mass of the string affects the period. I also adjusted the angle by using a protractor to obtain better results. Here you can see the results. That is the data table for 0.0001 kilogram string. Here I changed the mass of the string to be 0.00359 kilograms. And that is the data table for it. As we can see in that graph, when we increase the mass of the string, the simple pendulum movement gets distorted. In part 3, I changed the length of the string and look at its period accordingly. That is the result for it. In here you can see the data table for 0.15 meters string. In here I changed the length of the string to be 1.3 meters. And that is the time for 10 oscillations. And here is the data table for 0.3 meters string. When we draw a graph for part 3, we can see that as the value of the length of the string gets higher, the period value increases. In conclusion, according to my experiments, we can say that the period of the simple pendulum is just dependent on the length of the string and independent on the mass of the bob and the mass of the string. Thank you for your attention.